Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through using Evernote for project management. First, click Notebooks in the left sidebar to open your Notebooks view. Click the New Notebook button at the top, which opens the Create New Notebook dialog. Click into the Notebook name field and type in a name. For this example, I'm using Project Management. Click Create to make the notebook, and you'll see a success message appear at the top of the screen. Click on your new notebook in the list to open it. Click the New Note button to create your first note inside this notebook, which opens a blank note editor. Click the title field at the top and type a title. I'm calling this one Management Task. Click into the note body below to start adding content. Click the More menu in the Formatting toolbar, which opens a drop-down with formatting options. Select Bulleted List from the menu to switch your note into list format. Click in the body and type your first item. In this example, that's Make Project. Press Enter and add your next item. I'm typing Make Meetings. Open the More menu again to access additional formatting controls. Click Indent to push your list items in from the left margin. Select the text you just typed by clicking and dragging over it. Click the sans serif font menu at the top left of the editor to see the available fonts. Choose a font from the list. For this example, I'm selecting Script. Open the font menu again to try a different style. This time select Handwritten to change the appearance of your selected text. Click the Insert button in the toolbar, which opens a menu of items you can add to your note. The menu shows options like Meeting Recorder, Dictation, and Mention a Date. Choose whichever fits your workflow. When you're ready to collaborate, click the Share button in the top right corner to open the sharing dialog. Click into the Add Name or Email field and type the address of someone you want to invite. In this case, testtrial870@gmail.com. If you need to move a note to a different notebook later, right-click the note title and select Move to Notebook from the menu. You can also add tags to your notes by clicking the tag icon in the toolbar. Tags let you group related items across multiple notebooks, so you can filter your project notes by status, priority, or any category you create. Evernote saves your changes automatically as you type, so you can close a note or switch between notebooks without losing any work. And that's how to set up a project workspace in Evernote with a dedicated notebook and task notes. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.